Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we just did a story yesterday talking about Royal Caribbean dropping the pre-cruise testing for cruises that are 5 nights or less. Asked the question, who's going to be next? Well, we have that answer because today Carnival Cruise Lines has made some changes to their health and safety protocols. All right, so Carnival says that they're going to be doing it in 3 different phases. First phase is going to begin August the 4th. So, starting August the 4th, for cruises that are 5 nights or less, no pre-cruise testing will be required for fully vaccinated passengers. So if you're unvaccinated, you're still going to have to pre-cruise test, and it has to be on itineraries that are 5 nights or less. That's going to be phase 1. Okay, so now if you're cruising and it's 6 nights or more, all the current protocols remain in place. You still have to pre-cruise test regardless of your vaccination status. I assume that that's going to be in phase 2 when longer cruises probably won't require the pre-cruise testing, but they have not announced any specifics for phase 2 and phase 3 yet. All we know as of right now is just like Royal Caribbean yesterday, itineraries 5 nights or less, no pre-cruise test is going to be required beginning on August the 4th. And, just like we expect with the cruise lines, once one of the big ones starts it, once one of the big ones do it, the others, they just begin to follow right along. And I expect this is going to continue. It's going to keep moving forward. We're going to see more phases, more relaxing in the health and safety protocols. But if you have an upcoming Carnival cruise, 5 nights or less, a pre-cruise test will not be required if you are fully vaccinated. All right, and that said, that's going to be our quick cruise news for today. Just trying to keep you guys up to date with any of these protocol changes. We're probably going to start to see some rapid fire changes here, in the next couple of weeks as the cruise lines adjust to the CDC dropping their requirements. Everything, of course, still depends on the cruise ports and the destinations that they visit. Okay, but another step forward, another change, another cruise line, at least on short cruises for right now, that it's not requiring the pre-cruise testing. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.